In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods on Webflow 2026 full guide. We're going to move through the exact flow inside Webflow so you can start accepting payments quickly and confidently. By the end, you'll know where to go, what to click, and what information you'll need to provide to get your payment provider connected. Start by opening your Webflow project. Make sure you're in the designer so you can access the site's management panels. This is your workspace for everything you'll configure today. From here, head to the left sidebar and click on CMS. This takes you into the area where Webflow groups key management tools. Don't worry, you're in the right place. Within this view, you'll find the section we need next. Now switch into e-commerce. This is where store features live, including products, checkout, and payments. If you're not seeing e-commerce, your workspace may not have it enabled yet, or you might not have the right permissions. In that case, check your plan and access later. Once it appears, continue with the same steps. Inside e-commerce, locate payments and choose Add Payment Provider. This opens Webflow's setup flow for connecting a processor. Depending on your region and plan, you'll see supported options such as modern card processors and digital wallets. The interface guides you, so just follow along on screen. Click Continue to proceed. Before you can finalize a payment method, Webflow requires some basic store information. This ensures your checkout, receipts, and payouts are all configured correctly. Fill out the essential details for your store. Provide your store name as customers should see it on checkout and receipts. Enter a valid business address and country or region, so tax, currency, and payment availability line up with your location. Confirm your currency and time zone to match how you'll price and report sales. Add a reliable contact email for order notifications and customer support. If your business has registration or tax identifiers, enter them accurately where requested. The key here is consistency. Make sure these details match what your payment provider expects to reduce verification delays. Once the basics are saved, return to the payment provider flow and follow the prompts to connect your account. You'll typically authenticate with the provider, confirm business details, and allow Webflow to process transactions on your behalf. Complete the form, save, and you're done. A few quick tips as you wrap up: double check your currency before adding products. Make sure your address is correct for payouts, and review checkout text so customers see clear information. When everything looks good, your store is ready to accept payments. That's it. Congratulations on setting up payment methods in Webflow.